Now I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the website autocomplete feature. So we see that, for example, when we go to this web page and I start typing in Expert Village, now what happens is it identifies that I've been to Expert Village before, and it gives me the option to select it from where it thinks I want to go. You may want to shut this feature off. In order to do that, what we would do is go to Tools and then go to Internet Options and click on the Content tab. Inside the Content tab, you'll see another button that says previous entries that I might have put in. I have to type out the full name because it has erased the option to look into my history.